Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video tour. Today we're taking a look at a brand new 2024 Salem FSX 161 QK. I'm going to take a few minutes, walk you through the inside and outside here of this unit. This unit is a little under 4,000 pounds. We're going to start on the inside and we'll come on back to the outside. So stepping up into your new Salem camper here, you have a U-shaped dinette on the front side. This dinette will go down and make into a bed. And it also has this new table setup that they did where you can kind of spin things around, making it easier to get in and out of here. And again, tabletop will drop down. You got a couple extra cushions over there to make that into a bed so you could sleep a couple guests. Window back there does open. You have a window behind your kitchen counter over here that also opens. Furrion microwave up top, Greystone hood range light and fan, and you have a Greystone 2-burner gas stove top with a flip down glass lid. The cabinetry changed up for 2024. You have full extending ball bearing drawer guided drawers, new hardware, new woodwork, and it also has little magnetic catches to help hold them in place. You have a little hanging hook there. Some storage under your sink area. Large undermount sink with the high-rise faucet. Digital thermostat for your propane furnace and your AC, some USB charger ports, and you also have your on-demand water heater controls. There's TV hookups up here, so you could do a small TV up here if you wanted to. Electric box with the breakers and fuses down here on the left. You have a little portable Bluetooth speaker. Over here next to your entry door, you have a little coat hook holder, but there's also a 30 amp charge controller for a solar panel that's on the roof. Some light switches, awning button, you have your water pump button, and your monitor panel for your holding tanks. They are currently using the 10.7 cubic foot Everchill refrigerator. You have your propane furnace down there and your propane leak detector down there as well. 10.7 cubic foot reefer that will open either direction. So depending on if you're coming from the back area or whatever, you can open it either way. It's kind of cool. And you have your Coleman ducted AC up here. It does duct to the back of the RV, but then you have a open duct here to blow out to the front portion of the RV. Little skylight and fan in here. ABS tub surround. Pull across vinyl door. Foot flush toilet. Window there opens again. And back here we have our little walk around bed area. So you do have a hanging closet on each side, along with some storage on each side down below. Window on each side of the bed does open. Very large window over on this side. Electric outlet, USB charger ports on each side of the bed as well. TV hookups over here. Little vent up there. Now this bed also raises up. So you have little cubbies at the foot of the bed. Then you have storage under there that also can be accessed from the outside part as well. All vinyl floor throughout the RV here. But a nice little cute couples coach, again under 4,000 pounds. Lightweight, easy to tow. Now let's step out here and check out the outside real quick. So going out the doorway here, we have a screen door. We have an actual window so we can see in and out of our RV with the door closed. But we also have that little Lippert thin shade that you hear me talk about all the time, saying you can buy aftermarket. This one actually comes with it. You have a double entrance step and a large folding handle here to help get you in and out of the RV. So this one was ordered with the standard aluminum exterior. You could also order it with a platinum package and get fiberglass siding as well if you wanted to. You have power awning, LED light strip built in close to the body of the RV, adjustable arms for tilting for water runoff, and you also have a manual override in the front arm head in case of an electronic failure. Have the gas griddle by Suburban here. Just kind of pushes back in there when you're done using it. And then you also have a portable hookup here for a side solar panel if you wanted to plug in a portable panel. You have that black glass entry door. Furnace exhaust out right here. Single axle, drum brakes, steel wheels. Electric outlet. This one has 4 scissor jacks, 2 in the back and 2 in the front. Traditional flat back rear end. You have the 4-inch square tube bumper. A lot of people like to store their dump hose in there. Baggage door held up by magnetic holder. That's the compartment area underneath of your bed. This was also ordered with the spare tire and mount feature. Some people do buy these and just park them, so they don't necessarily want the spare, so the factory leaves it up to your choice if you want it or not. Most dealerships do buy it with it though. Now it is pre-prepped in the top center there for a Furrion rear observation camera, which would allow you to see what's going on behind you when you're driving down the road. Also pre-set up for the Lippert portable stow and go ladder that you can buy, keep in your storage compartment, but then it'll telescope up there and attach if you need to get on your roof and inspect it. Cable inlet right here. You can see the little round saucer thing up there. That's your TV antenna. Then you got your big air conditioner. There's actually a solar panel up there in the back corner as well. So here we have detachable power cord. It's about probably 35 feet long, maybe. I don't know, 30 feet. Let's see. Let's see what it says. Let's guess. Yep, 30 feet. So pretty good guess. We have hot and cold outside utility shower, gravity fill fresh water. You have the Suburban on-demand water heater right there. Just below that, hot and cold low point water drains. And also down there is the freshwater tank drain. You have your gray and black tank dump out right here. So pull the black first, get the nasty out, pull the gray next, and kind of rinse everything out. You do have an enclosed underbelly on the RV as well. Black tank flush and city water inlets all right here. Stove exhaust vent up here as well. Some storage area right here. Now right here on the side is going to be some real important informational stickers. So this first one is what they call the production date sticker. So this was built 7/20 of 23. Model number 161QK. Gross vehicle weight, 4,908 pounds. Unloaded vehicle weight, 3,984 pounds. So just under 4,000 pounds, with an exterior length of 23 feet 6 inches. You have ST 225 75R 15 E-range tire with 80 cold PSI. Very important to keep up with your tire pressure on an RV. Front end has a nice rounded front end here, so it's sloped back a little bit for better aerodynamics. Now you get this front end whether you order it with a platinum package or not. So it's always the aluminum front with the lower diamond plate metal. And then if you do platinum, you get fiberglass side and rear. Single 20-pound propane tank, heavy-duty safety chains, 7-way Bargman wiring plug. You have a 2 5/16 hitch ball. There's a battery disconnect back there. There's room for 1 or 2 batteries to go back here as well, depending on what you prefer. But overall, nice little lightweight couples coach here. Something affordable that you can take out on a nice weekend trip. All right, folks, thanks for taking the time to watch my RV videos. I really do appreciate it. Please be sure to remember to like, share, and subscribe. If you know anybody that's looking for an RV, definitely recommend Couch's RV Nation. They're one of the largest internet discount dealers in the country. They'll definitely save you a lot of money if you're looking for one. Thanks again.